Hey guys, what's going on? Update on the Cutlass. We're gonna take this bad boy over to paint, so I'm gonna show the fire up. See if we'll get her going. She's been sitting. I've been meaning to do some more things on it before I took it over to paint, but just running out of time. It's just been sitting here for like a month now. Ooh. That's pretty good after a month for it to still start like that. But yeah, we're gonna take this thing, roll down to the paint shop, get it dropped off. Just wanted to do a video for you guys. It's not gonna be super exciting, but show you guys the interior one more time. I got it pretty much stripped down. Cold, so I got a 2-foot drive it. Just hoping to get some carburetor work done on it and some other stuff done on it before I took it, but Christmas time. The guy did a shout out on his webpage and said that the first person to book for 2019 paint job, to give them a discount. So when you're doing builds, try to look for where you can save money. So even though I really didn't want to spend the money, if you'll save me some money on it, I guess it's worth it. Anything I can get on it for you guys, man. It's too cold. Of course, if you're in the rest of the country, man, you're freezing. It's about 74 right now in Titusville, Florida, so can't beat the weather. My neighbor just had about 3 of his buddies come down on Harleys, and they firing them up this morning all the way from PA. Drove straight through 16 hours. I said, dang man, that's a bunch of gas and goes right there. What sucks too is I got my old tires on here, so I can't even get on it because they're old as dirt. I think it'll just slide like crazy. But yeah guys, hope everybody had a great Christmas. 2019 is going to be awesome on the channel, so please subscribe. We're going to get the Cutlass done. Hopefully get my OBS back. And working on getting another project too, so driving my wife nuts, but it's okay. I tell her it keeps me out of the bars, so do some videos for you guys. Hope everybody enjoys. You know, just an average guy trying to build some cars. Got a lot of love on the GTO video I did, so I appreciate that. If you guys are new to the channel, this is my 86 Cutlass Supreme.